Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're planning a trip to Tokyo, you're in for a treat. In this video, we'll guide you through a fantastic one-week itinerary that will help you experience the best of this vibrant city. Let's get started. Day 1, after arriving in Tokyo, settle into your accommodation. Then, kick off your adventure in Shibuya. Experience the iconic Shibuya crossing and grab dinner at one of the many izakayas nearby. On day 2, head to Shinjuku. Start with a stroll in Shinjuku-gyoen National Garden for some peace and quiet. Afterward, explore the vibrant streets of Harajuku, especially Takeshita Street, for unique fashion and delicious crepes. Day 3 takes us to Asakusa. Visit the historic Sensoji Temple and explore Nakamai Street for traditional snacks and souvenirs. In the afternoon, make your way to Akihabara, the hub of otaku culture. Check out the latest tech and anime merchandise. On day 4, start your morning at Tsukiji Outer Market. Sample fresh seafood and local delicacies. Afterward, head to Odaiba. Visit Teen Lab Borderless for an immersive art experience and enjoy views of the Rainbow Bridge. Day 5 is all about iconic sights. Start at Tokyo Tower for breathtaking views of the city. Then, explore Ginza, known for luxury shopping and high-end dining. Don't miss the chance to try matcha desserts at a local cafe. On day 6, take a day trip. You can choose to visit Nikko to see its beautiful shrines and nature, or head to the Fuji 5 Lakes for stunning views of Mt. Fuji and outdoor activities. Your final day is a free day. Use this time to revisit your favorite spots or explore new neighborhoods like Yanaka for local vibes and unique shops. Pick up any last-minute souvenirs before heading to the airport. And that's your week in Tokyo. We hope this itinerary helps you make the most of your trip. Don't forget to like,